I will click apply, then OK. You will find that the text color inside all the blocks it changed. If you want to know how I did that, watch the video till the end. But before we start, please press on the like button, subscribe, and hit the ring button to get notified when we upload a new video. And now, let's start. If you have a plan like this one, and you have this block, the section arrow block. Inside this block, you will find we have two attributes. And we want to change the properties of this text attribute. Okay? The normal command, you know, the edit attribute. We will select the block. You can change from here the text options, the height, and the location of the text, the properties, the layer, the color. Okay? You will find that you changed the color of the text. But what if you want to change the color of the text in all the blocks, in all the section arrow? We have another command to do so. The command is Batman. When you open the command, you will find that you have two options here. The first option to select the block from this list, or you can select it manually. I will select it manually, okay? You will find here the two attributes inside the block. The first attribute, the mark, and the other attribute here, this one shown, okay? We can from here change. We can from here, we can change the properties of these two attributes. But before we explain how to do so, I will show you here that the modes of the attributes, the annotation, the style, the layer shown here. If you want to add more to this list, you can find it from here, the settings. We can add the color and the height. When you go right, you will find that you have here the height and you have here the color. Okay? Now we can edit the attribute. I will change the color to red for the first attribute and I will click OK. And in the second attribute, I will do the same step. I will change the color also to red and I will click OK. If I click the apply here, you will find that all the text color will change to red. All the text color changed to red. Okay? Not only the color you can change. You can change the text height, all the text properties. You can change the layer, the text height, the location of the text, anything you want related to the text properties, you can change it from here. Okay? So try the command by yourself and adapt it to what you want. And if you want to know about the other commands in AutoCAD, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching our video.